You're going with the other phone now.
Tá bom?
Mm.
Não,
Thank you. Welcome to the brother. Welcome to my live stream. You're welcome to my live stream. So, if you're joining me for the first time, you're welcome. Um, Today we are going to be talking about witchcraft in detail. Yeah. So please, if you have my order number 070-373 11663, it is no longer available for WhatsApp for now, but I still use it to receive calls. I have already tagged my current number on the screen. I've already tagged it, so you can reach me out with that one. Um, we are going to be talking about witchcraft in details. Yes, witchcraft in details. Yes, because a lot of us practice witchcraft activities without even knowing, and then we keep rebuking witchcraft spirits. Yes, so that's what we are here to talk about today. And so you know, and also know how to harness this gift, and you know how to go about it so that you don't get affected negatively. So please, I'm trying to put on my new number on the screen again for those that want to contact me. So first of all, witchcraft spirit is not necessarily a good or a bad spirit, even though many of us will see witchcraft spirit from the bad side. Yes, but witchcraft spirit is not necessarily a good or a bad spirit alone. Yes, because everyone on earth is a witch. Yes, but there are people that are powerful witches, there are spiritual witches. Yes. Now, the reason why I say that everybody is a witch is that anybody that can be able to put one or two together in order to serve his or her need or human need is a witch, because there is a spirit always standing by you, giving you the directions on how to do those things so that it can serve the purpose of human needs. So we have the positive witchcraft spirit that is connected to our ancestors, our deities, our spirit guide, our water forces, and all the natural and elemental forces that be. which is the spirit of truth, the ability for divination, for example, the ability to consult a spiritual divination is the act of witchcraft. Yes, because once you are in that mood of that divination, a certain spirit takes over you, which may be your ancestor or your spirit guide, takes over you. And once that spirit takes over you, you start manifesting. You start seeing things that ordinarily you won't say or you won't know them. That is one of the positive aspect of witchcraft spirit. Then another positive aspect of witchcraft spirit is the ability to heal, ability to use herbs and roots to heal, you know, to do protection, to do banishment, to do binding. Now, to heal means healing somebody physically and emotionally, healing somebody spiritually. When that person have some crisis going on in his or her life, you're able to put a stop to that negative things happening to that person. Or that person is physically sick, you understand, you are able to use herbs. You are able to use herbs to do or to help that person. That is witchcraft. Ordinarily, someone who is not gifted with that power cannot just get herbs and administer on somebody and that person will get well. But because there are some ancestral spirits, there are some deities, there are some oracles, there are some spirit guide backing you up, that is why you are able to do that thing and it becomes effective. And you are able to administer something that will not harm that person also. All right. So then talking about the protection, the ability to protect someone, you know, from negative harm, from spell, from attack. That is another form of witchcraft, another aspect uh, of witchcraft. You understand? Then the ability to banish things, you know, to banish things that are harming people or a person or a place. That is another aspect of positive witchcraft. It comes on you. You receive instruction. You do this thing. It serves that positive need that human being actually want. You understand? Then the ability to bind. To bind is to stop evil activities, to stop a bad habit on someone, maybe someone that is drinking too much, or you have the ability to put one or two together to stop that person from, you know, from drinking constantly. Or maybe someone is about to buy, somebody is about to give up, right? And you do consultation, you find out that, oh, this person still within the human realm, and there is something that you can do to stop the spirit, you understand, to bind the spirit, so that, to bind the path so that the person doesn't pass over or cross over. That is another aspect of positive witchcraft, which you don't ordinarily have that power. It comes on you. It comes on you. So another part of uh, positive witchcraft, I'm just going to mention these three and we'll move to the next one. So another aspect of positive witchcraft is you know the act of uh, bringing one or two spiritual items, like crafting a spiritual materials in order to serve human needs. For example, people that activate Alpha tool, the consultation tool, the ability to activate a particular tool, channel your personal energy in it, and it start working. You understand, for its spiritual purpose, is also a positive aspect of witchcraft, which is I can call it the white witch, the good ones. You understand? Then the ability, like all these people that mold spiritual, like opesi, all these images, is also another part of, you know, the positive aspect of crafting in spirituality. You understand? Whereby you do those things, it's just like when you say, "Oh, if you buy this olive oil, or if you buy this oil, or if you buy this perfume, or if you buy this incense, or if you buy this powder, you use it like this, use it like that, it will work for you. It will do this, it will do that." That is what I'm talking about. The positive aspect of it, through crafting. You understand? But then again, we have the general aspect, which many of us, you know, do on a regular basis without even knowing that we are practicing witchcraft. Do you know the aspect of it that a man does it, a woman does it, pastor does it, a priest does it, everybody, do it. That part is the act of cooking, the act of cooking food that we eat. Because tell me, you get this one, get these herbs, get this one, get this one, get this one, you join it together, you call it a one soup. You get this one, get this one, get this one, get this one, you call it egusi soup. You get this one, get this one, you call it salad soup. All those things, you understand, is still under the positive aspect of witchcraft. The ability, the knowledge to put things together, and it starts serving human needs. That is what witchcraft is all about. But then, like I said earlier, witchcraft have both the negative and the positive aspect. Now, we have already discussed the positive aspect, which is what everybody, you understand, should try to emulate. I'm not going to encourage anybody to emulate the negative aspect of witchcraft, but the truth remains that anybody, any spiritualist that knows how to save also knows how to destroy. It's just that the person may choose not to be on the negative side. You understand? Because for you to be able to conquer the negative side, you must know the means, the style, the material they used to do that thing, to inflict that negative energy. So you'll be able to know what you can use to banish it. All right. Now, the negative aspect of it is number one, is mischievous, you know, mischievous spirit. This mischievous spirit in witchcraft are the spirit that can, that can influence you as a spiritual person, a practitioner, especially they are the target. People that are into spirituality, people that do spiritual things, spiritual jobs for people. You understand? The mischievous spirit can instigate fear in you. This is what happens when you see people, you know, doing their work. You start noticing some kind of things around them. Sometimes these energies tend to do what? Overwhelm the person, the practitioner. You understand? Maybe when you are doing reading, when you are doing consultation, or you are doing spell work, when you are doing spiritual work for people, it can even linger to the level of doing what? To the level of causing fear in you, causing, you know, giving you a negative assurance that will not yield any good fruit to you. Or it can even linger to doing what? Causing you sicknesses. All right. That is the negative aspect of witchcraft. They are the ones that they use to project evil energies, evil spirits on people. Then we go to the aspect of the negative aspect of witchcraft, which is the second one and the last one I'm going to talk about here, is the aspect of psychology, like psychological aspect. You know, I've seen a lot of people that had issues because of this job, because of the kind of energies, because of the kind of spirits, because of the kind of things that they involve themselves into. You understand? And when they now involve themselves into this kind of energy, into this kind of spirit, or into this kind of forces, what happened? What happened is that it brings confusion to them. And to some extent, it can even cause mental problem to them. Sometimes when you're trying to go into spirituality without a proper spiritual backing, a proper spiritual backing, there are some forces that you might expose yourself to at the wrong time, you understand, which may even affect you mentally. So that is the negative, these are the two major negative aspects of witchcraft. So it is good for us all to know that we are all witch. Now, what class of a witch are you? What class of a witch are you? And not just what class of a witch are you? What connection do you have with the witches? And what have you decided to do with your gift? Thank you so much. I remain blessed. Bye for now. Stream going for 16 minutes.